Have you ever heard of a slaughter? I oughta start dipping, sipping on that ST gets me to tripping. I don't slips, I bangs with that mad ass dog pound gang. It's a DPG thing. Corrupt from the SC. You wanna test?
When you gonna put me up on one of your videos or something? You know I can still get out. Check this out.
Welcome back, guys, to another episode of Rose and Gold. I'm your host, International King, wearing Yank Apparel. Yank Apparel is clothing for men and women. And when you buy Yank Apparel, you get the decals on both sides, and as you saw before, the decal on the back. Yank Apparel is clothing that I endorse, and I'm a black belt, as you all know. And I wear this freely while I'm doing my martial arts, as well as practicing my music and my acting. For everyone who's looking for something comfortable, light, and efficient, visit yankapparel.com. We'll have the link in the description below, and Yank Apparel is clothing that I endorse. Let's get into some quick hot topics for today, starting out with Wendy Williams. Wendy, enough of that. Our next hot topic is with Mark Anthony and J-Lo. We hear that J-Lo's been getting back together with Mark Anthony and Ben Affleck. No. Ben, go back to AA. And Mark Anthony, no. Wheelchair. No. On to our next and final hot topic is with Kylie Jenner. Kylie Jenner, you need to pay your workers more than minimum wage. Because that is the main standpoint. Take some of the money or a ton of the money from the $400,000 that you're giving to your security and give it to your workers. We want to see the formula that you're using for your makeup. Men and women, Yank Apparel is for you. I have a closet full of Yank Apparel clothing, and I wear it all the time when I train and when I run. I'm gonna make this quick because I have to go run these stairs, but I'll catch you guys in the next installment. If you haven't already, go to yankapparel.com. It'll be in the link in the description below, and make sure to pick yourself up the Yank Apparel. We out. I'll see you later.